Oh, JJ from Rare, English for real life. Are you tired about same way of teaching all the time? Are you struggling when you are trying to learn English? Do you want to have a good communication with a stranger or with a foreign person, but you don't know how to do it because you don't know how to express your ideas correctly? Do you want to have a meeting in English? Is it a promotion for you? But you cannot be promoted because you cannot speak English well. Don't worry, you are in the right place. Yeah, with JJ. This is English for real life. Here, we don't use boring grammars. We don't use any boring books. I'm JJ, Mexican American. I'm a native speaker. I speak English and Spanish, both languages, 100%. This is a good thing for you. Here, we use the CCGS system. Okay, this is a system which is used in Europe. This system is used at all schools where they teach not only English but French, German. So they make students to learn three languages at the same time. Here you will just learn just one first. But guess what? Imagine you are in a session with me. I will teach you some grammar, of course, because we need to, right? However, the grammar that I teach you will be applied to your daily life. That's what we say here in English for real life. You know, when you go to any other schools, they teach you a lot of grammar. You use a lot of books, a lot of exercises, but you never speak, or your teachers never speak to you in English. That's the problem. Here, it doesn't happen. It doesn't occur. Let me tell you this. And a plus, I speak English and Spanish, as I said, Italian, Portuguese, and French. So let's say you have a class with me, but you don't speak English well yet, not a problem. You speak Spanish, I understand. You speak Portuguese, I understand. You speak Italian, I understand. You speak French, I understand. You want to speak just in English? We can do it, not a problem. So this is a plus that I'm offering, okay? We will have a class 100% in English if you want, or we can go 80% Spanish or English, whatever. We can move the percentages without any problem. Carnales, así que únanse, están con JJ English for Real Life, hablo inglés, hablo español, sale. Estás en el lugar correcto, sin gramática aburrida, sin libros aburridos. So my friends, don't forget, this is rare English for Real Life. You can check my website, okay? You can check my Facebook business page, check my videos on TikTok where I show you and I teach you things that you have never been taught at any other school. You are at the right place. Don't forget, JJ from Brea, English for Real Life. So I'll be waiting for you, my friends. See you later. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Tschüss.